Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change boot device order on Microsoft Surface Pro 5. First, you need to be in the BIOS. If you don't know how to enter BIOS, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on Microsoft Surface Pro 5. When that's done, go into boot configuration, and now you can see all of these options here. This is your boot device order. The first ones on the top are gonna be the first devices to be checked to boot. So for example, if you're booting your PC, then it will first check for Windows Boot Manager. If it doesn't find system on it, then it will check for the other ones on the list, and it will only boot the ones that are checked with a black checkbox on the left. So if you want to, for example, enable another boot device, then just check it, and it will be also included in the boot order. And to change the order, just you'll need to, I think, use a keyboard or a mouse to drag the devices in different places to arrange the order. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.